Alright, here we have a Gibson air conditioner that's currently running. As you see right there, it says Gibson. The model number, I'm going to zoom in on the data panel up there. The model number is JT4BD-042K, and it's a 3.5 ton. Serial number is JTF10060156. I don't know if I read that serial number correctly. Maybe someone can read it for me and correct me. You can see this one uses R410A and not R22. Currently running. Not really too much to say about it. Not sure if it's a heat pump or a straight cool unit. This is actually at the beach house next to my beach house. Over, and I'm gonna get this to focus. I just like to do this a lot lately. But yeah, over and out.